Looking for the right vehicle? Today could be your lucky day. This vehicle is equipped with great options, and it could be yours. Contact the dealer today, request more information, and set up a test drive right away. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, keyless entry, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, front-wheel drive, electronic stability control, trip computer, clock, outside temperature gauge, tachometer. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.